Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the app. First, make sure WhatsApp is updated and your phone is unlocked. Open WhatsApp and tap the three dots or Settings tab depending on your device. Once done, navigate to Chat's theme on Android or Settings display on iPhone to reach appearance controls. You're checking prerequisites and moving straight to the option. Don't linger. This ensures the dark toggle is available and prevents confusion between app-level and system-level themes. Now change the theme. On Android, tap Chats, open Theme and select Dark. On iPhone, use Settings Display and Brightness and choose Dark. Once selected, WhatsApp UI switches backgrounds, message bubbles, and status bars to darker tones to reduce eye strain and save battery on OLED screens. Make sure to restart the chat view if colors don't apply immediately. If you prefer automatic switching, pick System Default so WhatsApp follows the phone's day/night schedule. Finalize by checking multiple screens, chats, settings, and notifications. If dark mode didn't apply, force close and reopen the app. That often triggers the change. Make sure your phone's system theme isn't overriding app settings if you selected System Default. If you still see mixed colors, clear app cache or reinstall WhatsApp as a last resort. Backup chats first. One key troubleshooting tip. Verify accessibility or battery saver settings aren't forcing high contrast or light themes, which can conflict with dark mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.